If you're tired of and just want to turn off all the news, channel, updates, Alexa ads, suggestions on Amazon spam on your home screen, then in this video we're going to show you how to stop and remove ads from the display of your Amazon Echo Show 10. For that, either you can tap on the three-dot menu on your screen. From there, go to the settings that you can turn all this off, or you can just swipe down your screen from settings, scroll down, and just tap on home content. You will end up in this exact same section. Now all you have to do is just scroll through this whole section and turn off or toggle off all the options that you don't want to see on your display screen. But please remember, especially if you're using a smart home device with your Alexa Echo Show, if you want, you can just keep these notification options turned on. This goes same for the photo highlights. And last but not the least, don't forget to turn off this rotate continuously option as well. And that's all. And after that, you will just end up with a screen with your clock face, date, and just your weather. So that's how you can remove and stop any type of ads from the home screen of your Amazon Echo Show 10. Thanks for watching.